Unveiling the 980 work schedule, a deep dive into the future of work-life balance. In the ever-evolving landscape of workplace dynamics, the 980 work schedule has emerged as a progressive alternative to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. This unique schedule offers employees the opportunity to compress their work week into 9 days instead of the standard 10, resulting in a coveted 3-day weekend every other week. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore the nuances of the 980 work schedule, its growing popularity, the associated benefits and drawbacks, and why it deserves your attention in the contemporary professional landscape. Understanding the 980 work schedule. The 980 work schedule is a compressed workweek arrangement that condenses the standard 80 hours of work into 9 days instead of the typical 10. Employees work 4 9-hour days and 4 8-hour days over a 2-week period, accumulating 80 hours within that time frame. The 9th day serves as an extended working day, while the 10th day provides a welcomed break. The rising popularity of the 980 work schedule. Flexibility and work-life balance. As individuals increasingly seek a balance between personal and professional life, the 980 schedule has gained traction for its potential to enhance work-life balance. The extended weekend every 2 weeks allows employees more time for personal pursuits, family activities, and rest. Boosting employee morale and productivity. The longer weekend serves as a morale booster, providing employees with a rejuvenating break that can enhance productivity and job satisfaction. The condensed work week also fosters a sense of autonomy, contributing to increased motivation and engagement. Benefits of the 980 work schedule. Improved work-life balance. Employees can enjoy more extended weekends, fostering improved overall well-being and satisfaction. Increased productivity. The extended work hours on the designated 9th day can lead to heightened focus and productivity. Reduced commuting stress. With one less commuting day every other week, employees experience a reduction in commuting-related stress and expenses. Disadvantages of the 980 work schedule. Longer work days. The extended work hours on the 9th day may lead to fatigue and burnout for some employees. Coordination challenges. Scheduling meetings or collaborative efforts may become challenging due to the staggered work weeks. Not universally applicable. Certain industries or roles may find it challenging to implement the 980 schedule due to operational constraints. Why you should be interested now. As the landscape of work evolves, businesses are recognizing the importance of employee well-being and flexibility. The 980 work schedule presents a compelling option for organizations seeking to attract and retain top talent while offering employees a schedule that aligns with their desired work-life balance. In conclusion, the 980 work schedule stands as a beacon of change in the traditional workweek structure, providing a potential solution for those seeking enhanced work-life balance and increased job satisfaction. As businesses adapt to the evolving expectations of the modern workforce, the 980 schedule may just be the key to unlocking a more harmonious and productive professional landscape. Explore this innovative schedule, consider its implications for your career or business, and embrace the possibilities it brings to the future of work.